Hey friends, if Google Chrome full screen is not working when you are trying to access into your Google Chrome browser, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So if the full screen of your Google Chrome is not working, this full screen, then what can you do? Now look at your Google Chrome on the taskbar. If you haven't pinned it in the taskbar, then simply pin it into the taskbar by searching for Chrome. Right click and then select pin to taskbar. Now I have already pinned this in the taskbar. So you will have this option pin to taskbar. Then you have to click on that. Then what you'll have to do, look at your keyboard and then press the shift key and the right click of your mouse together. Shift key and right click of your mouse together. And you will have this maximize option. Now you have to click on that and you will go full screen in your Google Chrome browser. Now once you are in the full screen, simply locate the three dots at the top right corner, customize and control Google Chrome, click on that. Scroll down and look for the one with the gear-like symbol, which is settings. Then here in the left pane, you have to click on system. Then here you will find this. Use graphics acceleration when available. You have to simply switch this off. And it will ask you to relaunch. Now you have to relaunch Google Chrome browser. Then you can also click on reset settings. Restore settings to the original defaults. Click on that. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extension, delete cookies, and other temporary site data. Now you have to click on reset settings. And once you click on the new tab, then you will just go into full screen. So I hope this simple video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.